Hey, I'm John Holmberg. I'm 49 years old for another couple days, and I am the host of 98 KUPD's morning show called The Morning Sickness. And I am at reactdefense.com, the home of Tactical Black, and it is something I absolutely love to do and almost had it taken away from me, but thanks to the Corps, I didn't, and I'm thrilled to show you guys this. I just have a little weird thing. It's an impingement, arthritic thing that where the bones of my joints were bigger than the joints themselves, and over time they just wore everything out. I didn't even know. And with contact sports and the martial arts stuff we do here, I started to feel it a lot. And not because of the work I was doing here, I was going through something. I couldn't sleep. My shoulder was really bad. In fact, both of them were. And when I really realized how bad it had gotten was when I couldn't put deodorant on. I would try to put deodorant on with the other hand. And so my shoulder was bad. When my hips were out, I was done. I couldn't stand up. And walking was impossible. For years, it just built up, and it was just debilitating. And that was, I didn't know what to do. I was a disaster. So I decided to just charge in head first and get the changes. Found Dr. Aragi. He kind of told me, it's gonna take time, and when we're done, you're gonna be able to do what you wanna do. And we're a year into 3 surgeries. I'm shocked at the progress, so it's great. My left shoulder is total replacement. October of 2021, left hip. March 2022 was right hip. Now I can sleep through the night without pain. Now I can get up and walk without thinking about how I'm gonna straighten up. I can fight again. And that's probably the best part, is that I can come back here and start punching and throwing hands and doing things and having a great time doing it and staying in shape. The future is, I look forward to still being physical. I'm not worried about breaking down. I'm not quitting. And that's the thing. I've talked to a lot of people, it's like, well, I just can't do that anymore. I'll see guys older than me or younger than me even that have injuries. They're like, well, those days are behind me. And I'm like, they're not. They're really not. You can do anything you want. It's a mentality. And you sometimes have to take the car to the shop and they put new parts in. And so the future's great. I'm excited about having good feeling again. It's almost like a reset. I feel like I Control-Alt-deleted my joints, and we got to start over. And I took it for granted, and I won't do that ever again. Would I recommend the Core Institute? Are you crazy? Absolutely, I would. It is. It's life-altering. It really is. When you find the people that fix you, how do you not recommend it? It's amazing.